Alright, so hello and very good evening to all of you. Today I'm gonna be making you meet with one of our good student, that is Aditya. So a very good evening, Aditya.
Good evening, sir.
How are you?
Fine, sir. And you?
I'm also very good. It was pleasing to have you here. Fine. Aditya, before we get into the discussion, it will be very good when you say something about yourself.
So, this is Alto in front of you, and I'm studying in 10th class, and I love dance and sing also. My strength is helping others and studying also.
Okay. Aditya, like you said your hobby is singing and dancing, and you are studying too. You are more passionate about your study and more passionate about your hobbies.
So, mostly hobbies.
Okay, mostly hobbies.
Yeah.
So how much time you give in a day to your hobbies like singing and dancing?
So, maybe like 1 and 2 hours.
1 and 2
Yeah.
hours you
Yeah.
practice regularly.
Yeah.
Okay. What does your heart say to become a singer, dancer?
So,
or-
to become a dancer and singer.
Okay. How long have you been learning dance? From where? From when you thought that you have good skills in dancing and singing?
So, when I was fourth class, so when I was like watching TV, there was a serial. So, I saw dance. So, I also wanted to be a like good dancer and good singer.
Okay. Means dancing skills and the different kind of dances that fascinates you, that
Yeah.
influences you a lot. Fine. Do you enjoy while studying?
Sir, little bit.
You enjoy a little bit.
So, when sir, when I do maths, I get bored.
Okay.
So that's why my mind is not working that time.
Okay. Study is quite boring task. Most of the students they think that.
Yeah, sir.
Because if you are an artist and you are very creative, you have something to do, like your hobbies, you're pursuing it. So students they not really like to study much, but they study because of their parents.
Yeah.
So like, do you think pressurized through the study, like your parents may be telling you just to study well or what?
So actually, my fathers like they always speak that Aditya like you have to become a doctor, and my mothers also say that, and my family members they just appreciate me to do be a good doctor.
Okay.
And after becoming a doctor, I will do like dancing and singing.
How good a student you are?
Sir, so.
You are so. You are average student, you
Yeah.
can say. You get more compliment in the class or you get more compliment in the parties?
Sir, both.
Both. That means you are not that much average student. You think about yourself. You are good student. So
Maybe, sir.
you can say that. Yeah. Fine. How do you enjoy your life?
So, like in this year, my like I didn't like I could not enjoy properly. When I was Jaipur, so I could not enjoy because my father
Yes.
they always said Aditya to study, Aditya play guitar,
Okay.
like that. And whenever my father got free, so we used to go to walk in morning also, and in and like evening also.
Okay. You went for evening walk and morning walk with your father?
Father, yes, sir.
Fine. So, does your father influence you to play guitar and to just get indulged with singing? and
Yeah.
everything?
My father always support me
Okay.
to go to to do extra thing.
Very good. Means your father encourages you.
Yeah, my father they also like sing, and they know how to play guitar.
Exactly.
Yeah,
Yes.
my teacher is my father.
Very good, yeah, very good. There are very few parents that are teaching their children to do this, and you're very lucky learning these things from
Yes,
your
sir.
father itself. Fine. Some words about your father. What does he do? Or what?
Basically, he is a army soldier,
Yes.
and in 20 in 28 he become the CEO. So my father they could not enjoy the party
Yes.
because coronavirus.
Because of corona.
Yeah,
Yes.
because of corona. So so my father is like when my father is at home, we like we used to enjoy a lot. And when my father like to be at Jaipur, my father is so strict, and they said that Aditya, you all time study like that.
Okay.
Yeah, the when my father at home, they are like so happy. And my father when Jaipur, so it is so strict, man.
Means he become a soldier come father when
Yeah.
he is in Jaipur.
Yeah.
Whenever he is in home, father come friend.
Yes, sir.
Fine. So, what do you like most? Father with discipline, soldier, and father as friend.
Sir,
You can understand.
I like mostly father as a friend.
Father as a friend.
Because like if we like if father is our friend, so we can share our feelings also.
Okay.
That's why.
Aditya, very wonderful to listen to you. I would like to know one or two things about what you learned from your father. What are the two things you learned from your father?
So first one is how to play guitar,
Okay.
and second one is how to like dance.
Okay, very good. Means he influences you
Yeah.
to do something good apart from the study and
Yeah.
get indulged with the extracurricular
Yes, sir.
activity. So very amazing. Fine. Aditya, any teaching from your father to you that you follow? Like as he is an army,
Yeah.
so discipline must be one of the teachings. Is. So
Sir.
what does he suggest you to do?
So my father has always said that whenever you in school, you like you have to obey our like teachers and friends also. Doesn't matter it's our senior and it's
Yes.
our elder.
And second thing?
And second thing is a very most thing like very beautiful thing is that always proud of always believe ourselves.
Okay, Aditya, last question is from you is how can we pursue our aim along with the study as you are doing? So any suggestion from your side?
So in my side, if we are like if we do like if we do study and as well as we are interested to doing something new. So according to me, what do we like what we want, we should go to that field.
Okay. So nice meeting you, Aditya.
Thank you, sir.
Have a pleasure discussing
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. So it was Aditya with me, and have a wonderful discussion. Thank you very much for watching.